question you have to see. The system supplies a load of 800 k ohm. Okay, the first one they are given, and then a power factor of 0.8 they are given as leading, and we have to calculate the reactive power. Okay, so for this one, I have a small concept for you. I just draw a simple concept with respect to a small triangle, and here I have just marked in, and then here I can write in the form of impedance. Okay, and this one is impedance phase angle. So I can write this angle as impedance phase angle. And now here left side I can write in the form of reactive. This is actually is given by more scientists, more books they have written, reactive power Q. And this hypotenuse side, and they can just write in the form of apparent power. Okay, apparent power. That is the so from this, how we can write means I can say P is equal to, you know that P always will be equal to active power. Okay, and there you can write the form of work done which is equal to, because or you have to say active power as well as real power. So that is the main power comes from the input side. So I can say R real power and IR, because you know work done etc. So there will be some angle will be available. So cos phi. So equal to, you know, V formula. Okay, so you say V is equal to IR as per Ohm's law, you know, is it right? V is equal to IR. Just apply this one here. So automatically IR RR into IR cos phi. So it is equal to I square R into RR cos phi. You got me, is it right? So that's W. And you can write a Q. Okay. So Q is equal to reactive power. So Q not real power, reactive power. So what? How the power is reacting? That's equal to VR IR sin phi. There is raise this cos phi sin phi, and then you can just write yes. Okay, this is Q, and if for this is apparent power, you can just name it as yes. Okay, yes. So yes is equal to apparent power as per we just told in the triangle. So this is apparent power. That's equal to VR IR only, no need of angle anything. Okay, so I can write IR square as usual into Z. Here you have written R is right, but you have written Z, that is impedance. R, you know, is it right? R means it's the form of Z. Z is equal to R plus j omega. Okay, it is a higher level R, that is Z. Now you can write R as form everything. So here, yes, is it right? So hypotenuse formula is it right? Hypotenuse always equal to root of that means what opposite side plus adjacent side, you know, is it right? So likewise, this is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, what is this? Yes is available, is it right? That is root of. So s equal root of which one? So p square plus q square. That is a very important. Okay. So before that, one step I have tried. So you know S is equal to P plus JQ. Okay, as per this hypotenuse triangle. And you take the modulus. So if you are writing modulus means you have to make it as a P plus JQ. So that means if you take modulus means you have to make root of this square plus this square. So J square will be minus 1. So already it will be in the form of minus. But when you take the positive, you take the plus. Okay, no need to look about this. Take up this formula. S is equal to P square plus Q square. Okay, that's all. I got the calculation. But you know S equal to P plus QJ. That is don't forget this one. And here you know phi means what? It is a phase difference. Phi means it is a phase difference. Now just clearly get off phase difference between short form I just write a B slash N, and between voltage as well as current. Don't forget. And in this one, you know, cos phi is equal to P divided by S. Now we go for the calculation part. You can know given power is equal to 800 k ohm, is it right? So I take power is equal to 800 k ohm. Okay. And you know cos phi is equal to P by S. P, you know, 800 divided, is it right? So no, cos phi, you know, leading. So always power factor. Power factor is given by cos phi. So directly they have given us 0.8. 0.8 they have given also is leading. Okay. You know the formula. So here from this formula, take this formula number 1. From 1, what they have asked? They asked the reactive power. Reactive power means what? You have to ask the Q, is it right? Q only they have asked. Okay. So first one, what do you have? So S is equal to P divided by cos phi. Okay, what is the P? You know, is it right? 800 divided by cos phi is pointed at the given is equal to 1000. So if you just make a multiplication, because 8 point it means 8 into 10 power minus, is it right? So if it is go means 1000 kilowatt amps. So if you want to have Q means Q is equal to what? So from this formula, okay, take this formula. I just tell you how the Q comes. So squaring on both sides. because s equal root of p square plus q square, right? If a square on both same, s square is equal to p square plus q square. Now, what is the q square? Q square is equal to s square minus p square. So what is the q? Q is equal to root of s square minus p square. That only now I'm going to calculate. That is equal to root of, what is s square? S you know it, right? Yes, 1000. 1000 the whole square minus what is p? P is given the question 800 kilowatt, is it right? So 800 square. So this is square 800 square, and you will getting, so 200 that means 1000 square minus this one. You just calculate and you will get 600 kilowatt amps. Okay, so that will be the third option. So any doubts, come in the comment box. Thank you very much.